Already you know economy is a word, and economy word almost are used in our study. Okay, but here economy as a subject we will understand, we will discuss, we will study, and also as a topic we will discuss. Okay, we are going talking about economy. Okay, economy here given. Economy is a system, means is a machine, is a mechanism. Yeah, without system, any factor cannot run. Without organization, cannot run. Without system, any organization cannot run. Am I right? You can think yourself to yourself. It is possible without a system, without a mechanism. It will be possible. Okay, any organization can run, any organization could run without system, but system will be with the organization, then easily organization will run, you can say, for a long time. Yeah, and almost in our surrounding life we realize this happening this we realize. So it is a system that helps produce, means economy system, it will produce goods and services. What? Goods and services it will produce. Now question is, now what good is? What good means? Wise, nice, yeah, better. But here s word is added with the good. Then what is meaning? What will be meaning of goods? Simple. In other word, we say product. And now you will ask, what product is what? This is product. Board is product. Mobile is product. Okay. Book is product. Copy is product. Marker is product. Whatever we see in a physical form, and but that physical form we relate almost as a earning, means in a return at least we get, we we could get money through any product that is included in our economy. Okay, so it is a mechanism, and through this mechanism, so in short we say economy will produce goods and services. Okay, goods, as we understood, what it is a product, it is what? Product. Whereas a service, so here there are biggest difference between goods and service. What are biggest difference? Difference is, if we say what goods, then that happens, that which means what a product. This is product, as I told you with an example. But whereas service here is an example. Here we have an example of a service. What is that? Teaching is a service. Doctor is a service. Engineering is a service. Almost we say in government department, in government sector, almost we realize service. But whereas what our private companies provide service. Okay, but private and between private and public will be major difference. But here we need to understand about service. I am teaching you, so here you need to have focus. What I am teaching you, so here I am not providing any product, any kinds of product I am not providing. If I provide product, then I will say what? That is not service, that is service. Okay, that is service. But that service is not included in in the service of economy. It is known as where service. So teaching, where almost you can say almost 99% through product any person are earning money, that is included in the economy. But whereas through service, person are earning without any product, instead of a product, apart from product. What I am saying you, without any product, one person are earning money, is earning money. That is known as a service, as a economic service. Okay, clear. So here you can see what, as I told you, our shopkeeper provides service, means our shopkeeper provide a product, so it is now it is as a service. So this person are earning money, this person is earning money through product. So it is one side, this person who are earning through product, and one side who are person who are earning money without any product. So both are included in our economy. Clear? That's it. And enable people, enable means who are eligible. Okay. Enable people to earn their living, means a person, at least person can survive. At least person can survive their life. Okay. At least person can earn money through their skill. That person will be included in the economy. Okay, because that person is earning money. So whoever are earning money, that is known as economy serviceman. You can say economy man, economy person. Okay, that person will be included in the economy. And in the economy comes what GDP, economy of a country. Yeah. So person who are eligible to earn their living, that will be included. That person will be included in the economy. Clear? So it's a simple definition. What economy, through system of economy, through economy are produced goods and services, and person who are eligible to earn their living. Person at least can earn money through their skill. That person will be included in the economy. Clear? It's a definition of economy. Clear? Every production. Here we are clear. Every production. Production is what? Okay. Let's now. Every production is organized by, so where will be land, labor, physical capital, and human capital. Then it will be known as what? Production. Where working of this is running on, that is known as production. Means through our perspective we can say. So through this material are built a production, that is known as production organization. Every production is organized by combining land, labor, physical capital, and human capital, which are known as factors of production. Means these are factors. Yeah, these are factors. That's why it is known as factors of production. Clear? So it's a simple. Where production word will come, then we can understand what this is combining by, this is organized by, this is organized combining by combining land, labor. Means four factors here will be compulsory. Land, and these are major four factors. You can imagine land. It is not a small. It is not minor factors. It is not minor materials. Land, then physical capital. It is not a small thinking, a small things. Okay, physical capital to collect, physical capital to collect, to be collected, to collect It is a difficult challenges. And whereas human capital, about land, about labor, about physical capital, and about human capital, we will understand in depth because they are given definition of land, definition of labor, definition of physical capital, and human capital. Clear? So we need to have remember what it is known as. Combining by this that building is known as production. Okay, factors here word is coming. So means what? These are factors. These are factors. So these are not minor factors. These are major factors for combining or for combining of production of organization. So first of all, land. As I told you about land, labor, physical capital, human capital, we will understand in deeply. And here you can see land, definition of land. Already we know what through our perspective, where we are living, where you are, that is known as what land. So in a land, your home in a land is your home. Whereas where I am teaching you, so I am on land. Okay, building are made by factors. So on land buildings are made by a lot of factors, by major factors. Okay, but here through our perspective we understood. But here given definition of land, what is water? It is used as a irrigation. Water used for irrigation. Irrigation is what? Means here this sentence is telling us about agriculture. Means when farmer do agriculture in a land, then farmer need to do what? Need to pay water in agriculture. Whereas through water, through any technique, we what we we do irrigation in agriculture field, that is known as irrigation. And so through any way, we we in agriculture produce water. Okay, produce water in through any way, that is known as irrigation. Okay, in agriculture sector, irrigation word are used more. Whereas here you can see, as we were discussing about land, what building are made by many factors. That building is on land. Whereas where you are, so on land, I am teaching you. So I am where on land. But whereas here given definition word about agriculture, land about agriculture. What water it is used for irrigation in agriculture land. Clear? Are include natural resource, forest, minerals. This is new word? No. Here it is a simple. It is a saying simple. What natural resource? In this matter, are include natural resource. You can say whatever are not made by the whatever are not made by the whatever are not made by the human. Okay, means natural resources are made by the itself. Are you getting it? Natural resources are made by itself, not by human. Whereas forest, it is known as a natural resource. Whereas minerals you can say. So it is known as a natural resource. Clear? Water, it is our what? You can say, you may say, water is a chemical resource. Means you can say water are made by the human. No, it is a natural resource. It is just simple. But here it is saying what in this inland are include what natural resource, minerals, forest, water. It is used as irrigation. It was main sentence for our understanding. Second, labor. Labor. How do you explain? How do you explain this labor work? You would say, what labor means a small wages, poor person. Yeah, means in labor are not included rich person. This is meaning of labor. But I would say, okay, your point is right. But whereas in the labor are included what any person are included any person are included in the labor. So in the labor, you can see here a skilled and unskilled. Unskilled. So a skilled labor who are a skilled labor are who, and other side unskilled labor are who. It's a simple. Here we can find out the difference between two this word. And here given labor are two types, only two types, a skilled and unskilled. And the definition of a skilled and definition of unskilled we can find out easily. Means like this we can say definition answer of a skilled labor. What person who are the person who have eligible, no, who have a skill, that person will be known as what, a skilled labor. But whereas definition of answer of unskilled labor will be opposite in compared to a skilled labor. Person who don't have any type of a skill, that is known as unskilled labor. Am I right? And you can think itself, you can think yourself what a skilled means I have a skill. So what is that? I am saying you I have a skill. So what is that a skill? That a skill is teaching. I am teaching you. So you can say, and it is really a teacher or a student are taught by the teacher. So teacher have a skill. That's why teacher are teaching to your student. Teachers are teaching to your students because of a skill. Whereas an example of a skilled labor are few. You can say photographer, okay, doctor, engineers, teachers, and there are a lot of skilled labor. And you can say only not in government job we will get what a skilled labor. Without apart from government job, we will get a skilled labor, a skilled person. If you are woman, then you can create a skill, you can build a skill. If you woman, if you are woman, but to be a skill, being a skill is a difficult challenge. You can say it's a difficult challenge. Means dedication, to be dedication, to be mindset. Means don't be distraction by anything. So my point is to be a skilled, being a skilled is a difficult challenges. Then after some time you will realize, but I am confident in my skill. Okay. So here in production, labor are found. There are two types. One but a skilled labor and second unskilled labor. So here we don't need to think about what a skilled labor will be in the production, but unskilled labor won't be in the production. No, both both will be in the building of and the combining of production. Both will be. So work of this person will be different in compared to this. Work of this person will be different in compared to this person. Clearly, this was the biggest difference. So this person don't have any type of a skill. So at least this person can work can work anything who this person cannot do. Means this person can do, but this person will pay attention on your on their what on their skill. So there will be some work organization person will be need to keep employee. That employee will be who unskilled. As a small wages, this person could work because this person don't have any type of a skill. So at least this person are employee at least. Okay. But whereas this person are a skill, then through a skill this person could earn money more. And here you can see this person have a skill, then through their skill this person can earn money more, but through a skill. And in this matter, experience should be must be okay. So next we need to move. Labor is the heartbeat of a production, because in any production, in combining of a production, labor being labor, what to be labor in the production should be must be, and it will be compulsory. It must be compulsory. So here heartbeat is heartbeat word is used. So labor is the heartbeat. When you can say without labor is in incomplete work of production. Without labor. And whereas we discussed, but labor there are two types of labor: skilled, unskilled. So a skilled labor and unskilled labor. These types of a person want to work in the production, in the combining of a production, in the building of a production. Then how production will be built? How will production be built as a production, as a organization? So here, organization person, production person will be need what will be need labor person. That's why labor is the heartbeat of production. Physical capital. Physical capital. Physical capital represents the tangible tools. We understood about land, about labor, and we looked what we say four factors. So about auto factors we are clear. Now third factor is physical capital. What are physical capital? What happens to physical capital? Physical capital will represent what the tangible tools, means you can say physical tool, and resources. Resources means we will understand that enable business to produce goods and services efficiently. Okay, efficiently means if you will have if you will have this type of a physical capital, means tangible tools and resource, then your business can run as a working. Okay. So these tools and these resources are used to produce goods and services effectively, efficiently, means as a easily, as a comfortable. So here in clear word we need to understand like this. What these are what physical capital. Whatever we invest on tools, on resources. So before on any investor, we think what this will work for our business. So for help, we invest on any tools, on any resource. So you can say this will be our asset, but not for a long time. But at least you may say what it will be our asset. Through these tools and through this resource are produced what goods and services effectively in a visual clear effectively means through these tools and through these resources are used goods and services. Whereas examples of a physical capital here we can understand through an example of a physical capital. Example is what machinery, sheds, buildings, electricity. So these are unphysical. No, these are physical because we were discussing, we were doing a study what physical capital. So it will be so tools, tangible tools, resources will be in physical capital, will be in physical, and this is physical capital. This is capital, and these are used for the produce of goods and services. So it is a physical capital. Is it physical capital? Is it physical capital? Building is a building. Is it a physical capital? Electricity is it physical capital? Yes. And this will be resource for our business, for any business. According to this, through help of this, we can produce goods and services easily, efficiently. Okay. According machinery, sets and buildings, this type of physical capital, we can produce more goods and services. Clear? Whereas physical capital are two types. About physical capital, we understood, we got it. But whereas here is saying physical capital are two types. And about labor, we have discussed we had discussed what labor are two types, and whereas what fixed capital no physical capital are two types. So this will be compulsory for understanding because if we wanted to understand in a deeply, then you need to go in deeply for clearly. Then anywhere you can understand, and anywhere you can teach to another person because you are clear. So here, physical capital are two types: fixed capital and working capital. And meaning of this is just simple. Fixed capital is what is the meaning of this capital? Fixed means capital that is which is fixed. Whereas working capital, meaning of this is what? Meaning of this is what? Means capital will be changed in working. This capital will be in current. Then after some time we will be need to what use next capital. Okay, next asset. So let's understand about fixed capital and about working capital. As we discussed, as we read, but physical capital are two types. First of all, fixed capital. Fixed capital refers to permanent assets that a businessman investment in for the long term. These assets are not consumed. These assets are not consumed during production. if this type of asset means this fixed capital, so this capital will be fixed. So how in the how during production we can, how can we use this fixed capital during production, because it is fixed. And now we need to understand what is fixed. Okay, fixed means permanent assets, means during production we can't use. If we use during production, so this is not a fixed capital, that will be what, working capital, means current asset. So permanent asset, how? Because one person can investment in any factor, because a businessman person have a lot of way way earning, way for earning. So here businessman person would have a lot of money. So here at least this type of a person don't need to think about investment in any sector. But whereas here will be simple person, normal person, then simple person will think what I need mm, to investment in any sector, in this sector. So normal person will think. Then after so long time will decide. But whereas business person don't think like this. Business person will say, but where we need to investment, where I can I can make profit. Okay, so it is permanent asset. Why? Because a business person investment in any sector, so for long term doing investment in any sector, and during production these permanent assets are not consumed. Whereas working capital, so during production we use we use during production we use current asset, and after some time we will be need next asset. So it will be current assets and it will be current liabilities. Okay, current liabilities. Next, knowledge enterprises. You tell me, in any sector, without knowledge, can we grow as a grew person? As a grew person, you can say as a succeed person. Can we grow without knowledge? You can say that person will be lucky, who will be what, grow without knowledge. But whereas here, if you will talk about without any lucky, without any paid, then this will be impossible without knowledge. So here, this word is coming without enterprise. Enterprise means businessman, business, in production, in organization. This word is coming about this. So knowledge is compulsory for any industry, for any sector. Through knowledge, through education, through information, through awareness, we can decide what will be now, what will be tomorrow, what will be what will be after 4 days. We can run our organization through itself own, through own self. We can run to our business. Here we don't need to think about. You can say here we won't need to think so too much, because we can find out what will be wrong, what will be right. Because if you will have knowledge, then clear. Then till here we are clear. Till here we are clear. So it is compulsory. At least one person do study for understanding. Till understanding, at least one person do study. At least. How to increase it when land is fixed? Means this is land. So only in this land, how to increase yield, crops, food grains, agriculture food. How to increase? Any method? There is any method from which we can increase with more increase within within fixed land. Can we grow? Can we increase? Can yield increase within fixed length. About it, we will understand in the next slide. Whatever will come about it, then we will discuss. We will realize how to increase yield when land is fixed. In the next slide, in this slide, we are going talking about question is how to increase yield means creates food grains, you can say agriculture food. How to increase agriculture food when land is fixed? Then, so it is our point. It is a question as I told you in the back slide. What this is land, okay, and this is fixed, and only within this land we how we increase, how do we increase what agriculture food when land will be fixed, when land will be fixed, okay. So here given method, technical method, and so through this method we can increase. Whereas I would like to say to you what, first of all, through your mind, through your thinking, what do you think about this question? What do you think? Means you can say as your question, as your answer, you can say, yeah, like this can happen, like this should happen, yeah. So if we first of all we put our answer of this question, then we realize what yes, I can create a question, I can create what answer. So it is our what creativity in the discussion, okay. So let's move direct. It is our land fixed, and through this technical method, through use of this, we can increase yield and agriculture food. But question is how? Here you are looking what is multiple cropping. Through multiple cropping, can can yield be increased? Can yield be increased through this, through use of this technical multiple cropping? But now point is multiple cropping is what means in a within a fixed land, when we do crop multiple, you can say 3 4 types of variety seeds, when we use in agriculture land, when we do agriculture within a fixed land, that is known as multiple cropping. So our question was within, when land is fixed, when land will be fixed, then through this multiple cropping, can yield be increased? So I would say yes. If you don't have more land, then this technical should be applied, should be applied. Through this technical, through this use of a technical, at least we can have what more vegetables, more foods, grains. Whereas you can imagine what our land only this, and only through this we will have what lot of agriculture food. I'm not going out of context. Means Related to this, I am telling you, related to this question, related to this method, related to this technical method. So through multiple means what? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is so multiple. Cropping means multiple cropping means shades, you can say shade of mustard, shade of rice, shade of what wait, whereas there are a lot of shades of cropping. So shades of for example sets of wheat, sets of for example sets of wheat, sets of rice, sets of mustard. When this type of seed we use in this fixed land, this is known as multiple cropping during agriculture. During agriculture. Why agriculture? Why doing agriculture? Okay. So 1, 2, 3. This is now multiple, and here we are doing cropping. We are doing crop within agriculture. So now this is called what? Multiple cropping. Second modern cropping. In bracket given extra information. Agriculture technology. And today we are we are getting realized what today farmer are using technical, but not completely farmer are using technical agriculture technology. No, because you can say because of lack of resources, because the technology is not available at a lower price, at a affordable price. Farmer is not a richer person. Farmer do agriculture for food grains. So buying foods and grains, then how much farmer, how much can farmer earn money? Can you tell me how much can farmer earn money? Only for only through agriculture food. So how this type of a farmer can use technical, you can say agriculture technology? Yeah, farmer who have money, who have a lot of money means at least that farmer can buy this type of new agriculture technology. Why will that farmer buy this agriculture technology? Because that person want to use this technology in their agriculture land for more for more profit, for more vegetable, for more food grains, for more yields, so that this person can earn money more. So here you are looking what thinking of this person who are buying, who will be buying agriculture technology. So this will be help for the farmer. But when farmer will buy this technology, as I told you, as I put here what question issue of farmers, problems of a farmer and the buying of agriculture technology. And a lot of people, a lot of farmer can't purchase this agriculture technology. But whereas this technology will be compulsory, will be what will be compulsory for the agriculture land, because within a limited time we can achieve more vegetable, you can imagine. But one side, farmer also depend on the rainwater. Yeah, heavy rainwater, heavy heavy rainwater can destroy completely agriculture land. Less rainwater can destroy completely what agriculture land. So here at least 50%, you can say 60%, 35%, from 35%, you can say from 30% and till 70%. Rainwater farmer need to rainwater need to pay in agriculture land. So here farmer almost depend on rainwater. But one side, at least on time, farmer can achieve agriculture land uh, through this using of a technology, agriculture technology. And now let's discuss modern cropping. Modern means now, whatever is happening now, whatever we use on the present time, that is now modern. Modernization word means when people adapt a new technology, that is known as modernization. As we discussed, as we had discussed in multiple lectures. But here, modern meaning of a modern is what same means on present when a new technology will come, then we will adopt new technology and we will use the new technology, that is now what modern. But whereas modern cropping means whatever are used today as a new technique, as a new method, as a new way, whatever are used in our agriculture, uh, from tools, you can say. So that is known as modern cropping. But it will be what 50%. It will happen 50%. I would say here what modern cropping means. Today is what technique. Today is what technique used in the agriculture land. And today we will see in the agriculture land what farmers are using same technique before used used to do, before farmer used to do, and today same farmer same technique are using, same farmer are using same technique. So this is not what this is not a modern cropping means through new technology when we adapt with the new technique and we are using now, this is now, this is known as modern cropping. Clear? So where does the labor come from? Can you explain it? Where does the labor come from? Where? And here given only three: big landowners, small landowners, and landlords. We will understand about the definition of these three words. But before this, we need to understand through our own words about this answer, about it answer. Okay. So where does first of all main question you will see, you are looking at here. But what where does the labor come from? Labor come from person who are not eligible. That person will be kept as a worker. Person who are free. But where side person who have eligible, that person is eligible for working. Clearly, as we discussed about skilled, about unskilled. So here labor same will be applied here. Labor will come from a skilled labor, from educated labor. So now answer is what means that there are a lot of waves from where labor can come. But here we need to identify, but how types what types of labor we need to we need to have keep have employee need to keep employee in our working. Here first of all we need to find out according to working person will be need to keep employee, and here same my word here will be applied. Big land owners means direct on point we are going talking about. Big landowners, a small landowners means about land, about agriculture land means in agriculture land means okay. So here first of all we need to understand about the definition of this word. Big landowners, big person means a person who have a lot of lands, that is known as big landowners. Because here we are saying we are looking what big word. So big means what? Big person who have a lot of a lot of land, not a lot of money. Okay, not a lot of house. Here here word will be what? A lot of land. Because we are talking about word big land owners. Whereas a small land owners, through a small we can identify answer. A small person who have minimum minimum land, from which that person can survive to their life. Okay. Whereas landless, and landless definition of landless will be different in compared to big landowners in compared to a small landowners. So what is meaning of landless? You can think, you can imagine, you can understand. Landless means person who don't have any type of land. This meaning will be, this is meaning of landless. Person who don't have any type of land, that is known as landless. Okay, let's go in a summary. Let's take a recap. Big land owners, person who have a lot of what? Land, a lot of lands. A small landowners, person who have minimum land, so that this type of a person can survive their living as a at least standard living. Whereas landless, meaning definition of landless will be different in compared to big landowners and in compared to a small landowners. Landless, meaning of landless is person who don't have any type of lands, that is known as landless person. Clear? Landless person can work. Landless person can work in the land of big land owners through this labor comes. So here in this sentence are, are hidden a lot of answer about this question. Means meaning of this sentence is what? Landless person don't have any type of land. Then this person may go to this person for the working. Through working, this person will earn money. Why this person will work to this person for earning money? So from here, from here labor can come. So this is first answer of this question. Landless person can work in the land of big landowners. As I told you just what, this landless may go to this person. Why I am using may? Because this person can go anywhere to earning money. But here we are talking about in the labor, in the context of understanding. So here we are not going out of context. Okay, as a an example, as a understanding. So this person may go to this person for the earning money, whereas also this person can go anywhere for the earning money, because this person have a minimum need, but for this surviving, means through land, this person can do agriculture. So from agriculture this person will get food grains, whereas yeah, food grains, vegetables, rice, wheat, only this. Then for children's education, for health, for consult of health, so money will be required to this person. So this person can go anywhere for the earning. So through work, this person will get a salary. So this I wanted to say you, but this person may go to this person for the working, for the earning money. So this design show us, but through this labor can come as a labor. So clear? Through this level comes. Here given words, given sentence. Through this level comes. Whereas a small landowners almost work in your land for livelihood. As I told you just you. But a small landowners means person who have minimum land. So from this land, through this land, this type of a person can do agriculture. So from this agriculture, this type of a person can get food grains, wheat, eats, cereals, rice from the agriculture. But whereas this person will be need but money. From money, this person can spend on children's education, on children's health, and also itself. Clear? So here, this person will go will go one day. One day, this person can go, and whereas the endless person will must be go, must go. Now question will come, but big landowners can keep. So it's not question. Big landowners can keep employees for your agriculture work, because here we were talking about agriculture land owners means owners of a big land, owners of a small land, and land as you can understand. So this person can keep employed for their agriculture work. But I wanted to say you here, what this person will go anywhere for the animal? No. If according to need, this person can go according to need. But apart from this person can go because freedom, because this person have freedom to go anywhere. So this person can work. But in compare this person, so this person will work but at a higher level, because this person have land. And here we can say, what easily we can say, this person have a lot of land, and whereas this person won't have money. Okay, money. Then this person can go, this person may go. As I told you, according to need, according to need, through this level can come. Surplus, in the multiple lecture we had a discussion, but here given surplus, then okay, again we let's understand. A surplus refers means through our words. Let's explain this word. Surplus. Surplus means you have what 150 rupees. You spent You have spent 70 rupees, no, 80 rupees, and now you have how many? You have 80, so 70 rupees you have. So this is remain money. So this is known as a surplus. Means apart from need material, apart from satisfied material, whatever we have, that is known as a surplus. Whereas through another word we can define this surplus word. Okay, this is surplus word. Surplus refers to the amount that remains when use need is satisfied. Means apart from satisfied and apart from use of material, whatever we have remain, that is known as surplus. It's a simple. So example, this understanding of this we can understand through another example. What? Let's take an example for better, which will be better for understanding. Surplus. Here I would say what farmers have a lot of vegetable, more vegetable. Farmers have more vegetable. So farmer wants to keep their in their stock. Then after in their stock having materials in their stock, now farmer have remain materials. So farmer will think what if we will keep this material, all this material, then after some time we will get result as a waste of material. So now we need to sell this material because whatever we needed, we wanted, need, so kept we kept material. But whereas this more this material, if we will keep, then upcoming time we will realize what result, bad result. Yeah. So it is known as what surplus means person farmers have remain materials after use, after kept, after satisfied. Satisfied word will be better for the understanding of surplus. Okay. Next is one sentence. Economics helps us exist as we do today. Means whatever we are living, whatever we are, whatever we are eating today. So it is what? It is help of economy. It is so better economy. Means you can say our economy is working as a standard, as a standard. And today you can see a report of GDP's report of economy of India country. What is the situation? And through GDP, through census, we can find out our situation. You can say health of people. What is the situation? And improvement after some years. So through GDP, we can find out. We can find out. Whereas through GDP, through economy, there are a lot of there was a lot of report, there is a lot of report according to census, according to GDPs, according to economy, and there will be a lot of report, so that we can realize what it is happening today. It is happening in our country, it was happening in our country, it will be happening in our country. We can decide also. Our government will realize, our government will think, will see this is happening, so this is not right. In this area people are living as a minorities, and minorities people are living, so in this area we need to distribute what material for these people. In society there are different people are living. Okay. So government will be responsible for the economy and for the India. So here we were discussing about economy. That's it about economy. But in the next slide, you can say in the upcoming lecture, we will discuss about economic because it is not enough. But this was a topic, this was a chapter you can say about economy. This was first chapter. Okay. But economy is not a short syllabus. Means in economy, as I was telling you, economy tells us census report of GDP, situation of India, situation of people, people's health, people educations, yeah, extreme poverty, inequality, equality. So to being economy, then we will get a report. So this is only, you can say, few example. This was only few example to understand. Means this may be what this may be for understanding this word, this sentence about economy. That's it.